Good morning, friends. Welcome to the channel Pranab Kanti Roy's AV Guidance. So I request all the viewers to share, please share and subscribe the channel. So we'll be discussing important topics from the fluid pressure again. For example, to measure the pressure head of the fluid of a specific gravity S1 flowing through a pipeline, a simple manometer entering a fluid of specific gravity S2 connected to it. The readings are indicated in the diagram shown below. So 4 readings are there. So you have to find out the correct one. Now this is a simple manometer is there. Now manometric fluid is S2 is the manometric fluid and S2 is the specific gravity of the fluid. Now this is a pipe which is connected to the manometer and fluid of specific gravity S1 is flowing through the pipeline. So for finding this type of problem, we have to keep one thing in our mind, that at which point pressure is equal. So this is the manometric fluid, in between chamber is there. Now this dimension height is given. Small h1 is the height of the or rise of liquid in the chamber. So most important things we have to find out at which point pressure is equal. So this is the manometric fluid of specific gravity S2. So in this point, now one end of the pipe is open to the atmosphere. So for this problem, see, this is the manometric fluid. Now this point, at this point, the pressures are equal. This point. So these 2 points are there where the pressures are equal. So we have to find out the manometric equation. Now there is a relation for finding any density of any fluid. The expression is the density of fluid is equal to specific gravity in density of the water. So this is the expression, that is density of any fluid is equal to specific gravity of that fluid in density of the water. So density of the manometric fluid is equal to ρ2 into specific gravity of the manometric fluid in density of the water. Now manometric equation, we have to write the manometric equation. So manometric equation, that means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now for this problem, the left hand side, that means this P is the pressure at this point. So P is the pressure in the pipeline. So this pressure will be same for every horizontal point. So pressure at this point and pressure at this point is same. So these two pressures are same. So this is denoted by P. Now from this point we are moving again downwards. So this height is H. So this height is H. So what is the pressure? So ρ1 is the density of the fluid, G into H. So this is the ρ1 G into H plus, so up to this portion, plus for this height delta H. So again it will be same fluid. That is why it is ρ1 into J into G into delta H. So left hand side is over. So we reached up to this point. Now left hand side, that is pressure at the limb, pressure in the left hand side of the limb is equal to pressure in the right hand side of the limb. Again from the top, again if you start from the top, so P atmospheric pressure, since it is open to the atmospheric pressure, so P ATM is the atmospheric pressure plus ρ2, that is density of the manometric fluid, ρ2 into G into H1. So this is the ρ2 G H1. So pressure that is for this column of the liquid. So again plus, that means since it is we are going downwards, so we are taking it is a pressure is increasing, so plus sign is there. Again for this column, that means for delta H, again it will be ρ2 G into H. So left hand side equal to right hand side, so atmospheric pressure is taken as a 0 since open to the atmosphere. So ultimately solving this problem, expression is coming S2 into H1 minus S1 into H delta H. So correct expression will be B. So thank you friends watching this video. Have a nice day.